Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on Show View History on Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If someone with a work or school account shares a file with you, they may be able to see when you view it. If you want people who share files with you to be able to see when you have viewed the file, then follow the steps to turn on Show View History. The Google Docs homepage, click the three lines button in the top left corner. Then choose Settings from the menu. Turn the toggle on to the right of Activity Dashboard. When the toggle is blue, people who send you files will be able to see when you have opened them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Docs tips and tricks.